That's exciting.
Today's a very important milestone in this. Oh my gosh.
Do you remember that? What do you think about when you look at that?
I don't remember how bad it was. Now that I see it again, I do, but that's, I'm glad we got started. I'm glad I did this. And where I would be if I didn't do this and continued down that road,
Yeah.
tragic.
So, what made you decide to finally take action?
New career, and,
Okay.
and I love laughing, and I didn't feel comfortable laughing,
Okay.
and I was losing confidence in my communication with coworkers and customers.
Okay.
And the things that were being impacted are the things that I liked most about who I am.
Okay. So there's lots of places. How do you choose us? How did you decide to come here?
Oh, you guys were most willing to work with me as we figured out the finances. Most willing to. You guys cared about me as a person more than you did the payment. You looked at me as an individual, as a person, not a patient. Like I was becoming part of a team that you guys already had, and I didn't have to reintroduce myself every time I came in. Remember me? I walked through the front door and there. Hey Dan, how's it going? How's it going? You know, how are you feeling? How are you? Real, genuine concern for how I was recovering and through the process.
Yeah. No, you are. You're a part of our family. You mean it. I remember another reason we wanted to do it. Do you remember?
My mother's birthday.
No, another one. Your daughter's.
My daughter's wedding.
Yes, that's right.
That's right. And so we did the surgery, the first surgery, the day before my mother's wedding, or my mother's birthday.
Okay. Yes, that's right. I remember
And
that.
that gave me a few weeks to heal before my daughter's wedding.
Yeah.
And I was able to attend both of those events with confidence, even with my temporaries. And
That's awesome.
yeah, I'm confident. I'm sure glad I.
All right, let's have a look here.
Yeah. It feels good. It certainly feels good.
Well, good.
Thank you. You'll see in the picture on the top, and so I would groom my mustache so long I was trying to cover my mouth.
I noticed you're all trimmed up.
I've
I
trimmed
like
up a bit.
Yeah.
But I'm not ashamed to see my smile.
Good. We love your smile. Thank you, man. Okay, so can I ask you one last thing? What would you tell anyone that's kind of on the fence, that's kind of where you were, like they're thinking, should I do this, shouldn't I do this?
I can't think of the reason not to.
Okay.
It's all been beneficial. If somebody was on the fence, why would you not do good for yourself if you can? Make a healthy choice and a commitment to doing better for yourself.
Thank you. You said it so well. Thank you. Can I get a picture with you, my friend?
Yes, please.